We are spending one night in the airport. Probably not the way you think. I'm going to show you everything that there is to see at the Hyatt Regency Orlando International Airport. Let's go check it out. So one of the first things that you're going to note is that we are just between Terminal A and Terminal B, and there's a secret entrance to this hotel. So I'll show you that right now. And they've also got these great elevators that are like a bubble glass. So pretty cool stuff. We've got a view of the fountain from here, but also you can watch the planes go by from all of the floors, and that's really cool. So it's very easy to miss the Hyatt Regency check-in. You see the elevators going up and down there? That is part of it. We're going to go over to the right here. Depending on which way you come in, there's the water fountain in the middle, and it's directly across from that. You do need a key card to get up to your room though, so just be aware of that. And there they are, getting into security. Let's go on up. Level 9 is the restaurant, level 4 is the registration, and the lobby bar, the bar and grill, and the meeting room. So level 4 is the level you're gonna go on up to. Look, you can sit here and watch the planes. That's cool. And we're over top of the lobby. Oh, there it is down there. All right, we are on the 7th floor. We have the lowest category of room, 7023. It does have a balcony. Let's see what it's like. It opened up to this little promenade area here, and we're straight ahead. 7023. Hopefully it's a quiet space. Let's go on in. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it's nice and big too. All right, we're coming in for the first time. Wow, look at the size of that TV. Flat screen on the wall. It looks like a fairly new room. And we're just putting our bags down. So I'll get some lights on and then give you guys a tour. All right, so we've got the 2-queen room here, and it's got a balcony, and I did not pay to look at the runway. So we'll take a look at what we're looking at here in a second, but there's a little desk there on the right. It's got these nice curtains. It has 2 queen beds. Look at the cool lighting above the bed. There's 4 of these reading lights. I've got 2 of them on at the moment. It looks quite comfortable. Liam, how is it? Is it comfortable?
Well, I'm not under the sheets, so
wow.
It's not an exact, but right now it's pretty comfortable.
Yeah, you look pretty comfortable. All right, and then over here, they've got the safe, which is right at my head level here. And it looks like an extra pillow and a blanket maybe in there, which I love. There's a see-through fridge down there. There's 2 bottles of water, a couple of glasses, a coffee maker, and some coffee. So that's really cool. They've given us the coffee there. An ice bucket. Very nice. It's different than most of our other hotel room tours, so that's cool. I haven't been on a Hyatt in a while. There's a little foot's rest and a little table there on top of there. Liam's already taken over the TV. We've got some hooks. No. Yes, we've got some hooks there. They just kind of fold out. That's pretty awesome. And then over here would be, I guess, your closet space. So you can store your stuff in the closet. An ironing board and an iron in case you need to iron something before or after your vacation. And then a couple of drawers here. Let's turn the light on and see. Ooh, fancy. Very nice. Let's take a look in the bathroom and then we'll go out on the balcony there. All right, walking straight into the bathroom. There's your lighted mirror. Hi, everyone. It looks very nice. Not very big, but that's all right. We've got a couple of face cloths over here and a cleansing bar. Then on the wall, they've got some body lotion, and there's your towel bar there. Some tissue and the toilet, towels, picture, extra towels behind the toilet there in case you need them for your shower. Down below, they've actually got like a light up makeup mirror, and it looks like a shower mat there, as well as a hairdryer. So you can get all ready to go before your trip. Let's look in the shower here. Nice big rain shower head there, and your stuff on the wall. Body wash, conditioner, shampoo, the usual. and just a bathtub. Grab bar in there. Looks pretty good. There's a light above, so you're not going to be in the dark in here. I like it. It's very nice. Let's go out on the balcony and see what's out there. Oh, we can see some airplanes, so that's pretty cool. As well, there's other places that you can just sit and watch, and you gotta open it outwards. Couple of chairs out here and a little small table, so you can sit out here and just watch the airplanes go. Nice view. So this was the lowest grade of room. It was $290. When I first looked and I was looking for a room, they were $690, and so I did not book that. Obviously that is entirely too expensive, but as our trip was coming to an end here, I decided that it was time to look for a hotel room for the very last day of our trip. And since our plane is leaving in the morning, I thought it would be a great idea to stay in the airport, and I found it for $290, which is way cheaper than $600. So just keep checking, and that was on the actual Hyatt website. So look, there's a Southwest plane out there leaving. He's either coming in or leaving. There's another one over there. He's in the queue. So if you like airplanes and you like airports and you like watching the planes go by, this is definitely the stay for you. So it is lovely. It's a lovely room, and it's very quiet in here at the moment. If you're wondering if you can hear the airplanes from inside the room, the answer is yes, but they're not really disruptive. It's more of like a calm whooshing sound. Pool and fitness center, 6, so technically it's down. 1 floor down. Ooh!
I know, I looked from there.
This is a really cool hotel though.
Oh yeah, I love it. Hey, there's a Disney stuff playing over there.
Yeah, I know. Okay,
Alright,
so we're going out here and we're going down the hall to the pool and the fitness center.
I'm excited to see what the pool looks like. Oh, I'm already getting some good vibes.
Oh, wow. Okay, I see. It is a rooftop pool. No swimming over here. Just a fountain. It's very busy. Not a lot of seating. Not a very big pool either, but it's cool. There he is in the pool. And guys, you can actually call, there's a phone over here. You can see a sign on the wall there. If you call down to the McCoys, they'll bring food up here for you. How awesome is that?
Thank you.
There goes some food now. I hear the plane. Oh, I see him over there. That's really awesome. Just sitting by the pool watching the planes go by. Okay, pool time's over. It's gonna storm. Is there anybody in the fitness? Oh, there's still somebody in there.
It's the same guy.
Pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow. And that is where the washrooms are for the pool as well. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Hyatt Regency here at the Orlando International Airport. We stayed in an airport. We can add that to the bucket list here, but the beds are very comfortable. Everything is very clean and lovely. The pool was pretty awesome until it started to rain. And you can order the food right there. We'll probably get some food in the food court, which we just have to go down to the lobby for. And all in all, it's a pretty awesome stay. So if you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys all in the next video. So there's a couple of really cool features inside of our hotel room that you can only see at night. I'm gonna show you guys those. We were pretty excited about them. Yeah, when you step out of the beds, the lights come on, but not until your foot, it senses something there. So that's one of the cool features that we noticed. And another one is in the bathroom. There's a clock in the mirror. No one is talking about how cool this actually is. We're not even on the runway view. We've got parking garage view. And balconies down below. And some airplanes over there. And tram. Look, there's some taking off over there. Or getting ready to.